This is one out of many tutorials that is to be posted to the backup channel for computer science videos. In this tutorial, the question is, how do I create a folder and file my emails to that folder on Gmail using a Mac computer? Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, search for this, enter to open up the web browser, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to the top right corner where we have the shortcut for Gmail. Click on this. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we will do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Let's go to more if we need to. However, we want to now create a new label. Click on this. Please enter a new label name. Let's just say CSV for the purpose of this tutorial, and this will sit under archive1. So let's now click on create. The label archive1/CSV was created. Let's click on X. And now what we can do is go to an email that was sent to myself in the previous tutorials. Drag and drop this into the CSV folder. So now one conversation has been moved to archive1/CSV. And what we can also do in the near future is create a different set of rules where, let's just say, one email from a particular individual would come into my inbox. However, I want to have all those emails moved to a folder without me having to drag and drop, which would save the process as part of the automated system for myself on Gmail using a Mac computer. So we can now go back to inbox, quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.